What if I told you one rhythm, light, bouncy, and joyful, quietly lit the fuse for dancehall's global takeover, and one track, born almost by accident, turned Sean Paul into a household name? This is the story of Tony C.D. Kelly's buyout Riddim and how like glue changed everything. This is One Drop Facts. Ready? Let's roll. At the turn of the millennium, dancehall was still underground worldwide. Big in Jamaica, big in the diaspora, but not yet ruling the pop charts. Then came Tony Kelly, a producer with a philosophy. Happy music, not dark, not heavy, but infectious. Rhythms built to make you move, built to cross borders. In December 2001, he unleashed the buyout Riddim through VP Records' Riddim-driven series. Instantly, it stood out. Light, bouncy, effervescent, sunshine in 4 bars. And on top of it, a dream lineup: Beenie Man, TOK, Voicemail, Spragga Benz. It was a snapshot of Jamaica's best. But one track carried a hidden spark. Sean Paul voiced a tune called Like Glue. At first, it wasn't even meant to be a song, just an intro for Gimme the Light. But Sean expanded it, flipping a few lines into a full anthem. That spontaneity captured the rhythm's joy better than anyone expected. Still, in 2001, Like Glue was just another cut. The rhythm was popular, but no global smash yet. It took time, and Sean Paul's rise, to change that. By 2002, Gimme the Light had kicked down the door. Then Get Busy blew the hinges clean off. Suddenly, Sean Paul wasn't just a local star, he was leading a worldwide movement. And with that momentum, Like Glue was re-released in 2003 as a single from Duddy Rock. This time, the world was listening. It soared to number 13 on the Billboard Hot 100, cracked top 10s across Europe, and earned awards for its street-charged music video, where Sean Paul's own brother shouted dance moves live, keeping the vibe authentically Jamaican. What's remarkable is how accidental it all was. Lyrics meant as an intro, a rhythm designed to feel happy, timing that lined up with Sean Paul's breakthrough. But together, they created a crossover blueprint. Like Glue proved dancehall could thrive in the mainstream without losing its raw yard energy. And the buyout Riddim? It remains a symbol, not just of one hit, but of a moment when Jamaican creativity, sharp business moves, and global timing aligned to open doors for a new generation. So here's the question: was Like Glue the true spark that made dancehall global, or just the soundtrack to a takeover that was already coming? Drop your thoughts in the comments. One drop, one love. Stay groovy.